Hello, New School Baby Boys here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing for you guys. It's going to be Crystal Dranzer F. I finally got it. I got it today. Actually, it's going to be tomorrow. Actually, it's 11:54. So yeah, there it is. This is a cool recolor. I will be showing the code for it, and here's the tag, stamina, the lift on it. It comes with 4 and lift. I think I forgot the name. But yeah, I got the other 3 yesterday. I know Zenki and just got his in, so that video will probably be up tomorrow too. So yeah, he gets to finally upload it. He actually already did the video, but it's gonna be out tomorrow. Same with me, I'm gonna be uploading this guy tomorrow. Okay. Ow. Here's this gorgeous Dranzer. Here's the code. But yeah, I like this color. It's a lot lighter than the other one. But yeah, really nice recolor. This is going to be a bit shorter video because of how late it is. And there will be another unboxing, but yeah. Stay tuned for that. There's 4. It's 2 stars. No, 1 star. No, 2 stars. And this. But yeah, let's see how strong the teeth are. I mean the slopes. They're decent. Actually, it's pretty strong. It's as strong as Dragoon F. So yeah. There's the extra codes again, just in case if you missed it on the last one. Here's Drigger S, Drasil S, and Dragoon F. There's Dranzer F. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.